This week we're going to talk about Office integration. I'm going to start by discussing how we can link objects from one Office application to another. And they've really streamlined this in Office 2013. And I'm assuming Office 2016, when I can finally get my hands on it, it's probably going to be the same. So here's what I want to do. Let's say I have some information in Excel, and I'd like to get this information into Word because I need it for a report or something like that. And I don't want to have to retype it in a Word table or anything like that. I actually just want to get it from here and put it into Word. But there's a twist. Let's say this data gets updated all the time. And so I want it to have always the current data in Word without having to go and recopy it. So what I'm going to do first is in Excel, I'm just going to highlight the data that I want and I'm going to copy it. So I do Control C. Then I'm going to switch over to a Word document. Keep in mind, you can apply this logic to Excel to PowerPoint, PowerPoint to Word. All the different apps will function in very similar ways. However, I use Excel to Word as the example because I come across it all the time. So I've copied the information in Excel. I am now in Word. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm not just going to paste it. I'm going to paste a link. And to do that, I can right-click in Word, and you have two options related to pasting links. You can link it and keep the source formatting, which is a new option, it's great. Or I can link and use destination styles, which is even better. So depending on how you want that data to appear in Word, you have options. And they've added this in 2013. So I'm just going to keep the source formatting on this one. And I'll tell you what, I'll go a couple farther down here, and we'll do one with the destination formatting. So we have options here, either or. Now here's the fantastic part about this that I want you to watch. Over here, if I come and edit a cell, okay, I'm going to change this. Instead of basic start area, it's just going to be basic start, because that's what the video was about. Well, as soon as I go over to my Word document, look at that. That's automatically updated. So I'm always going to have the current data from that file. The file does not need to be open in order for that link to be intact. You simply need to have access to that file. So if those files were on a network, well, I need access to that network drive. Or if they're on your computer, then there's nothing to worry about. In the event that it did not update for some reason, what you can do is you can always select the table in this case, right-click, and choose Update Link. That forces it to go get the most current data from that Excel file. So it's a great way to join and interact with Office programs and get them to work together, so to speak. And we have great options for whether we want the formatting, whether we don't. And it's really seamless integration that Office provides us.